Hello my friend, today I want to introduce some new model for you. Look at this, this is our old type push open system. The magnetic force is very small, you can see, just a little force. How it works for this our old type push open system, you can see, it's our old type, used together with the push open hinge. Let me show you how it works. You can see it cannot be locked down because of the very small magnetic force. So here our new model PM35 coming out push open system. You can see very stable. Only press it, then it can be separate. Used with mechanical locking system, not a magnetic force system. Let me show you how it works. Use this one, used together with two-way push open hinge. Let me show. This is our two-way push open hinge. Two-way push open hinge. Let me show. You can see. Lock strictly. Absolutely locking down. It will not push open. This push open system can be also used with this common push open hinge, this two-way push open hinge, even non-soft open hinge is also acceptable. Okay. Compared with this mechanical locking system, some people still prefer the push open system with magnetic force. Let me show you. We also have updated new models for the magnetic force. Considering this situation, as you know, used on high and heavy cabin door, it cannot be used closed smoothly and tightly. So this is our old type push open system. The magnetic force is very small. Let me show its force, how it works. This is our old type push open system with magnetic force. This is flat, tied together. How it works. You can see it cannot be closed. This push open system is used with this slowly push open hinge. So according to this situation, our new model push open hinge with very high magnetic force can be used on high and heavy cabin door. The magnetic force is very strong. You would use latch force. Also used together with this solid push open hinge. Okay, let me show how it works. One touch. Slowly push open hinge. That's how it works. It will not hurt you when open it. This is our new model push open hinge with high magnetic force. Together with this slowly push open hinge. Let me show. Push open slowly. Look like installed a soft opening hinge. Okay.